Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu and find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down and find the option called About Watch and tap on it, and here you can scroll down and find the serial number, and as you can see it's listed right here. If you have the LTE version of the watch, you can also check the IMEI number right here. It should be listed right below the serial number. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.